Hiya, Andy here, and welcome to the channel. When coding, you want to be writing as little code as possible to perform a task. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to streamline a conventional for loop that processes a string into a list. Now, loops are a great way to process data. When I was starting out, if I wanted to process some data and use lists to store my values, I would use a conventional for loop. But list comprehension is a more streamlined and performant way of looping through lists in Python. So let's take a look. On my screen here, you can see I've set up a simple numbers string 1 to 9, and I'm going to write a conventional for loop to loop through that string one character at a time and write each character to a list. So here we go. Declare my list, empty list, and then for n in numbers list dot append. I'm just going to convert each character to an int. You don't have to do that. I want numbers in my list and not string characters. And print that off so you can see that it's working. Okay, there we go. And now I'm just going to do the same thing again using list comprehension. So it's numbers list equals, and I'm going to convert again, n for n in numbers. Print numbers list. And we should see two lists appearing now. And there we go. So that's it. If you liked that video, please hit the like button, as it really helps the algorithm and helps to grow the channel. And if you wanted to see more content like this, then hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.